Welcome back here in this Chapter 19 video tutorial on Macro and VBA. In this chapter, we will learn how to use do-while loop in VBA. Do-while loop is used for repeating a block of code while a condition is true. It will keep on executing the code until the condition becomes false. Suppose you have to add 10 with every values here in this column A. In this case, I can use the do-while loop. First, declare the variable dim I as integer. Now set the initial value of I as 1. Here, we will use this I variable to represent the row number. Now write the code for do-while loop. In the row index, put I variable to denote row number 1. Put here I, comma. For column A, put index number of 1, close parentheses, dot, value, not equal to blank, which is given by less than greater than symbol and double quotationed 2 times. Now, while this condition is true, it will keep on executing the code that we write below. To add 10 with cell values, write this code. This code will go in the first cell and add 10 with it. Now, after the first execution completes, for the second execution, we have to increase the value of I by 1, because it should go to check second cell, that is A2. For this, let's increase the value of I by 1 by writing this code. I is equal to I plus 1. This will increase the row number by 1 after every iteration of the code. In next line, type loop. This will repeat the code while the condition is true or the cell is not blank. Let's do step-by-step execution of code by pressing the F8 key. It will check whether A1 cell is not blank. If it is true, code will run. Here you see 10 is added. When you press F8, code execution will repeat. It now checks for second cell. If it is not blank, we'll add 10 with it. Press F8 key to repeat all steps. 10 is added with all cell values. When it goes to last non-blank cell, condition will not be true because it finds a blank cell, and the sub-procedure will end. Here, if I run all code at once, 10 will be added to all numbers. Click on Run again. Another 10 is added with all numbers. Let me add some numbers in few blank cells. Now, when I run the code, it will auto-detect more non-blank cells and execute the code there. So, this is how we use do-while loop to execute the code continuously while a condition is true. In the next chapter, we will learn how to use the do until loop in VBA. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next chapter.